Hello and welcome to Maths with Jacob. This lesson will focus on gradient of a line. The gradient of a line is the same as the slope. It tells us about the inclination of the line to the x-axis. So here's a simple formula for finding the slope or gradient of a straight line. So the slope or gradient is the difference of the y values over the difference of the x values. So if you have 2 points, x1, y1 and x2, y2, the slope will be y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. So let's see how we use this formula in the following two examples. Excuse me. So number one, find the slope of the line joining 1, 3 and 4, 9. So if we let x1, y1 be 1, 3, so that's the first point, and we let x2, y2 equals 4, 9, that's the second point. So as we saw earlier, the slope, so you can call that slope or gradient, they mean the same thing, will be y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. So the slope, if we substitute into that formula, we've seen that x1 is 1, y1 is 3, x2 is 4, and y2 is 9. So y2 minus y1 gives us 9 minus 3. x2 minus x1 gives us 4 minus 1. That gives us 6 over 3, which is 2. So the slope or gradient of the line joining those 2 points is 2. Let's look at the second example. Find the slope of the line joining minus 4, 3 and 5, minus 2. So if we let x1, y1 be minus 4, 3 and x2, y2 be 5, minus 2. Again, we substitute into the given formula. So y2 minus y1 will be minus 2 minus 3, which is there. And x2 minus x1 will be 5 minus negative 4, which is 5 minus negative 4. Now minus 2 minus 3 is minus 5. 5 minus minus 4 is really 5 plus 4, because two negatives make a positive, so that gives you 9. So the slope of the line joining minus 4, 3 and 5 minus 2 is minus 5 over 9. So this brief video has given us a simple introduction on how to find the slope or gradient of a line when we are given 2 points, and basically that's the simple formula there that we use.